Magbibigay ako summary.
Okay. Ano po masasabi nyo sa reading ko po sa inyo about your one energy kasi November 10 kayo pinanganak and then your life path is 5.
Doon ko nakita na
Okay.
babae.
To be honest, at first hindi ako masyadong niniwala sa numerology, astrology, and whatnot. Pero
Kasi
I would say 85%
sino maniniwala?
dun sa mga binanggit sa akin ni Jel,
Kaya laki mong tao, hindi mo siya kaya.
medyo relevant talaga. Nakarelate ako sa mga binanggit ni Jel.
By numbers lang yun yung reading ko sa inyo.
Hindi ko nga alam kung paano mo ni-read yun eh. Basta sinabi mo lang sa akin yung
Number.
pinroject na personality based on the numbers. And then may 85% relationship talaga sa personal experience ko eh. I won't go into details. Napag-usapan na namin ni Jel yan. Kumbaga, nagkaroon na kami ng kwentuhan tungkol dun sa mga binanggit niya. Pero majority is sumang-ayon ako and
Ang nangyari sa kanya.
some of it are negative and had to change,
Masyado nasasabi sa akin.
which I changed. At
Yung
least that's what I wanted to think about.
Nasa tamang path po kayo kasi na-workout niyo yung number 1 energy niyo which is the angry issues, leadership, ganon.
I talk with people. I flirt with people.
Well, yeah, when it comes
I talk
to
with people, okay?
anger and leadership,
I flirt with people.
You didn't know that you're a leader? True leader?
People, sige.
You're a true leader. You have to be a leader. That's your energy.
career-wise, alam mo kasi yan ang lagi ko.
It means you can't be an employer to someone. You want to be an independent and be a boss of yourself.
Career-wise relevant yan. Career-wise relevant yan. Hanggang doon na lang sasabihin ko. Career-wise relevant yan.
Hindi mo
Anger issues, yeah, relevant pa din to a certain level.
Okay.
Kasi yung flirt sa
So
akin.
kaya nga I would say 85%.
Ah,
I would go out of a limb
landi na landi talaga.
to go up to 90%. Yeah, yeah. 90%.
Yung flirt sa akin.
Thank
Kaso may
you,
ano eh.
Kuya Robert. Kuya JD pala.
Wala, take to yan.
Kuya JD, thank you. Thank you sa reading mo, sa statement mo. Thank you.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, one energy is you want to be the boss. Independent. Ganon.
Okay. Wait. Oh, let this be on record. Is my previous comment posted already? Okay, sige, let's add this. So, we were discussing something about independence. And it came to me, nung binanggit niya yung explanation na yon, irrelevant na naman. So, I would like to add maybe another 5% sa accuracy ng numerology ni Jel. I would add another 5%. So earlier, I would say 85.
90 na ngayon.
Actually, 85 to 90, it was a range eh. So I would say 90 to 95 accuracy.
Wow!
When it comes to numerology reading,
Yes.
I wouldn't say it's perfect. Some of it are kind of disputable. Pero, sabi din niya, argumentative daw ako. So, pag dinispute ko, argument na naman daw. Pero,
Gusto ko na.
yeah, but
Gusto ko pero
I was kidding. Pero in reality, sige, a lot of it are relevant. So, yeah.
Thank you again, Kuya JD.
Level up.
Bye-bye.